Hey everyone, Will from Bullet Motorsports here, and next to me is the Camaro that is only whispered about in the smallest of Chevy circles. This is a 1992 Camaro RS B4C 1LE. Talk about rare on top of rare. Let's get into it. Now I know what you're thinking. B4C, 1LE, all these letters and numbers, RPO codes, but this is a special Camaro. And that's a lot of stuff for an RS? Well, we'll get into that. These 17-inch American racing wheels, staggered, 275s in the back, 245s in the front, really set off the green-gray metallic from the factory. Body lines are straight, a couple minor imperfections, a little here and a little up there, but we'll get into the underpinnings after we do the other side. All right, over here on the passenger side, you can see the paint still looks amazing. We have a little dent right here, a little imperfection here on the trim, but overall, this car looks beautiful. The RS package came no T-tops, hard top, with the smaller spoiler, but don't be worried, because underneath we have the 1LE, with the Corvette suspension and these cool Corvette brakes. In addition to that, there's the B4C package, which is the special service package for police pursuits. So we get the kicked up motor, aluminum drive shaft, kicked up alternator, baffled fuel tank, all the stuff for them to chase you down. Let's check out what's powering this thing. Now let's get to the good stuff. This is what makes this the sleeper Camaro of all sleeper Camaros. Yes, it does say RS on the side. It should be a V6, but we get this sweet 5-liter 305 V8 with a little bit of work done from the factory. Now, the B4C came with two options. You either get 350 5.7 with a 4-speed automatic, or you get this 305 with a 5-speed for all the fun. And arguably, a little bit faster than the 350 through the automatic. You get the oil cooler, you get the aluminum drive shaft. It does look like there was some aftermarket headers added to this, and let me tell you, this thing rips. It's definitely catching all the bank robbers and criminals going up I-95 for sure. All right, we're on the inside now, and I know it says RS on the outside, but very little in here to remind you it's an RS. Now, we have power options, we have AC. It did come with a radio delete per the B4C package, but this aftermarket Pioneer really takes up that space. Dash looks great. Armrest looks good. These are upgraded option cloth buckets. Great condition. I mean, you'd think this thing came right off the showroom with 171,000 miles. How wild is that? Now, let's fire it up and hear that 305 purr. I'm ready to take this baby out. Before we take this out for a test drive, I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so put this pretty face back on your screen some more. All right, going out now in the B4C 1LE, and I tell you, just from sitting at idle, the rumble, the sounds, this thing is just a beast waiting to be unleashed. Cruises just nicely, shifts smooth, clutch is nice, feels like right off the showroom floor. Going over some bumps, the 1LE suspension's a little stiff, but I mean, I could cruise this thing all day. We are getting an inflation restraint light, but that's because of the Momo competition wheel, which sitting here looking over this long hood, this wheel with the shifter just feels so nice. And Felix once mentioned he loves the downshifts in this car. You hear that burble. Brakes are straight, and again, 1LE brakes, so Corvette stopping power. We're gonna go over here to our photo shoot location and get some nice artistic shots for you. But on the way, listen to this. Man, she just growls. That second gear pull is top notch. Again, if you like this content, like, subscribe, hit the notifications button. We'll give you some more great videos like this and these super fun cars we get. And we'll put my beautiful face on the screen for you. Also, if you have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261, and we'd be happy to answer it. We are 5 minutes from the Fort Lauderdale Airport. If you want to fly in, drive this baby home, you are more than welcome. We come pick you up and show you around. So let's see what this girl's got. And how do you not enjoy the sound of a small block Chevy? You know, it has the G80 posi rear end. It's got all the goodies that you would want in your Z28 1LE, but with the B4C package, you get the nice slick RS accoutrements. You get the smooth hood, no vents, no T-tops, the small spoiler on the back. But if you know, you know for sure. All right, I'm gonna give you guys one more healthy little pull in this thing before we pull over and get some beauty shots for you guys. Again, any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. And we'd love to talk to you about this some more, because I'm super happy with it. I might even drive this thing home. All right, let's give her a little rip, huh? Ooh, this thing is a lot of fun in a small package, and I guarantee the new owner is going to be over the moon. And I love this thing. I know you want to hear that V8, but I guess we could see the radio works. I'm gonna turn that off because I want to hear all that horsepower. Well, AC blows cold, but again, why would you even have the windows up with a soundtrack like this? Windows work as they should, keeping them down. Locks work as they should. And this thing is just a peach. You'd never know it has the mileage it has. It feels like it just came right from the factory. Except for the steering wheel, of course. But that just adds to the sportiness of it. Look at that, it's so responsive. I would not hesitate to take this out on a road course like Sebring or, you know, Daytona, or anywhere you have a local track day, or just your local hot rod cruising. And you know, for the more adventurous, maybe even midnight street racing. We didn't say that. It's just a suggestion. All right, well, we're at our photo location. Gonna take some shots and bring this beauty home, because she's ready.